say hi. Is this the mini cafe that they are? Say hi. What do I introduce in the Is this the view?
Yeah.
What is this? Is this the bottle inside the freezer? Is that some Play-Doh over there? And then all these are art and crafts. But can you show me about the rocket ship?
This is the rocket.
Is that what blast off into space?
Yeah. And this is the astronaut.
Captain and then blast off. Everybody, this is the trees. They get super tall. I'm making more rivers.
Oh, so tall. It's taller than that tree. Oh, how to play it?
It's like serve it to other people.
You like it?
Yeah.
Why we have so many cooking toys?
So then when children play with them, then we have more others, then they can play more.
Okay.
This is the ice cream. When you have a customer and you have to ring the bell, and then you have to get whatever when
Wow. And what can we learn from that toy?
I can run rainbows.
Yeah. About the colors?
Yeah, that's 6 codes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. And what about shape?
You see that?
Yeah. It's very interesting. So they can learn about circle,
Rectangle.
Oh yeah.
And also squares and also triangles.
Yes.
So they can learn all different fall shapes.
Oh, and the colors too.
And this is the knocking arrow.
Yeah.
This is
So
what
many toys in the baby zone.
you to knock it like what?
Oh. Yeah, because babies like knocking, right?
Yeah, like knocking stuff.
Yeah. Oh, it's activity time!
So this is the children sit down and do activities.
Yeah.
Forward and back, forward and back, forward, 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 back, back, back. Hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold.
Oh, hi there.
Yay! Ooh! What's that? Wow! Jamie, we're gonna do art and craft.
I'll
Yay!
show you what we're doing for today.
Yeah. Dancing and story time.
Yeah.
We're gonna do art and craft. We have so many activities, right?
Yeah. What is this?